Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back. And unfortunately, this is not a plow day video. The night before plow day, I had the 2-bottom plow hooked up to the Super C and went over to the house and was trying to get it set up. So all I had to do was just let it down and just keep rolling for plow day. And on the way back from the house to the shop, it started making a loud noise. The fan pulley hub assembly come loose and is wore out. It can pivot back and forth on the shaft, and I'll show you because a new one got here today. Just one second. This is what wore out. Here where the shaft is in the back side of the pulley, it was just a piece of metal and it didn't have a bushing or anything, so it wears over time. The new replacement has sealed bearings inside, which does not need to be oiled. And like I said, thank goodness I got the last one Steiner tractor had. So what I'm going to do is get this thing primed and painted and put it in front of the heat lamp and get it drying so I can get this tractor back together. So that's it. That's the plan for this video. I'm going to pause here and get this thing painted, and once I get it painted, I'll come back. We'll do some of the disassembly, and then hopefully by the time I'm done with disassembly, this will be ready to go on the tractor. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be back in a few minutes. I've got my sun drop. I'm ready to go. Thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you sticking with me. We'll see you in a few. All right. We've got it disassembled, and I've got the old fan hub assembly off. And this is what I was talking about. That made a horrible noise. So anyway, the new one is back there drying. Hopefully it'll be dry soon. I just got to take the fan off of here and the cover underneath it, put those on the new hub, and then put it back together, and we should be good. So that's where I'm at. We'll pause again because I'm pretty much at a stopping point until that hub is dry, so I can take this apart and we'll go from there. Well, that's it. Like I said, I follow up. I've got it disassembled, and we'll finish it up here, and we'll come back in a few, and hopefully it'll be dry enough I can put the tractor back together. Stay tuned for that, and we'll see you soon. All right, welcome back. We've got the Super C back together with the new fan pulley assembly installed. Well, painted and installed, got new belts on there. And here's the old hub assembly that I was telling you about. You can see, I hope you can see, there's dust and stuff, metal dust. And there, that's what come out of it. So you know it's seen better days. So like I said, we're all set, ready to go there. I had to clean the dust off, but let's make sure it's in neutral. And switch is on, gas is on, and that sounds a lot better. A whole lot better. So, well, that's it for the end of the video. I would like to thank everybody who has recently subscribed, and once again, thank you to all of the previous subscribers that continue to support the channel. That means a lot, and it's always a great thing when you wake up the next morning and got a new subscriber or two. So thanks again. There is a little foresight coming. Did buy a couple another jack stands and stuff. We're going to build another tractor splitting stand because it's time I get started on the M, so I'm going to have the cub and the M going at the same time. Let's see if I can do it. Stay tuned and see if I can do it. Well, I'm going to shut the tractor off, get the 140 back up front. I've got to get it ready to go for the garden season. And I'm going to possibly split some wood that I cut earlier today. So thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and if you have previously subscribed, previously subscribed, thank you for your continued support. Have a great afternoon from Old Red Tractors.